Alright, let's go. Welcome ladies to test and tutorial. Sorry guys, to the long I uploaded the video. It's the long guys. Sorry, I've been cooking something nice for you guys. I've been cooking something nice. In case you are new to this channel, please like this video, share the video with your friends, click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a video, and I'll see you guys in my screen. So guys, in this dance there are 10 steps to dance this dance. I think 10 or more. But let us go with the flow. So I'll give you the step as you proceed. We have to follow the step learning curve. Follow the learning curve for you to be able to dance. If you know step 1, be sure to move on to step 2. Be sure to move on to step 3, and be sure to move on to step 4. So let's go. Now the first step in this challenge is, you guys know this trendy song, I can never go back. It's already too late. Now this is the dance tutorial guys. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. First step is mash, turn. Listen guys, mash, turn. For those people that cannot do the Kung Fu style, all you have to do is to like this, just turn, like this, just turn. Or just turn. If you cannot do the aggressive style, mash, turn, guys. That's it. That is first step, guys. You mash, turn. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. You mash, you turn. Together. 5, 6, 7, 8. You mash, you turn. Are you active, guys? Hope you're active. Hope you're following, guys. Let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You mash, you turn. Let's go. And another one more time again. 5, 6. Follow me, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. You mash, you turn, you jump. That's the next we'll do, guys. Once you mash, you turn, you jump. And the second step is 1, 2, 1, 2. Listen, guys. Once you mash, you turn, you jump, throw a leg up, throw a leg side, you shake it, shake it. Let me do this fast. So that I'm able to get it. 5, 6, 7, 8. You mash, you turn, you jump. 1, 2, 1, 2. I guess in concept, guys. Let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You mash, you turn, you jump. 1, 2, 1, 2. I think that's the second step. Let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. You mash, you turn, you jump, shake, 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 shake. Hope you guys are getting the concept. In case you are about to do this, please kindly subscribe down below, like this video, click on the notification bell, guys. Let's keep on the dance flow. Let's go, guys. Let's do one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, guys, once I've got that second step, we have to move on to the next. And the next step is, once you do this 1, 2, 3, 4, you fall forward. Okay, you fall backward. Please, fall forward. Fall backward. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. I can never walk like the Kiss. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Let me start. This third step. Let's go, guys. 5, 6. Only the third step. Only the third step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 1, 2. So let's go. From the start. From the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. I see you guys. I follow you guys. Just the counting as I'm counting, guys. You get it. It's a popular Christian dance. You all know it. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. See you guys. So let's go. On to the next. Step 4. Now our step 4 is, this step 4 is easy as I've taught it in many of my tutorials. You can check out my videos the ones that are living at my cards here, so you can check out this. See how to dance this step if you are finding it difficult. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. I see you guys. Step 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you move to the side, face, move to the side. That's step 4, guys. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Move to the side, face here, move to the side. Let's do this. Only step 4. Only step 4, guys. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move to the side. Go like this. Go. Move to the side. Go like this. So let's go from the start. From the start, guys. Sorry, you gotta clear my. Go. Okay. Okay, let's go. Start. Let's go. From the start, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Or you go to the other side. 2. From the start one more time. Sorry guys, I mistook this time. Don't worry. We all mistake as we take on this challenge, as we learn dance. It's part of the dance experience. You got a mistake, then you have to get it as time goes on. So let's move on. Still in step 4, guys. Still in step 4. Let's do one more time. One more time, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 forward. 4 backward. Keys. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Active. 2. See, guys. That's step 4. Let's go to step 5, guys. Step 5 is, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do some start. 4, then do dash, back, shoot. Let's take it easy. Let's take it gently. So it's go, back, baby. Step 5. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Let's go every from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, jump. 1, 2, 1, 2, 4 forward. Go backward. Keys. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Go. 2. Go. I'm doing it slow for you guys. I'm taking it slow for you guys. I'm taking it slow. Because you can check out this video over here. This is the fast video. This is the fast dance one. You can check it out over here. So you can see. So I'm making it slow for you guys to be able to understand the dance. Let's do one more time for that step. 6. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4 forward, 4 backward. Keys. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. And go. Let's go. 1, 2. Excellent, guys. So moving on to the next step is what you do. 1, 2. Let's follow this though. Pass back. Follow me, guys. Nice. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And face front. Back. Let's go from this. Just that last step. Just that recent step. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Face front. So let's go from the start. From the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 4 forward, 4 backward. Keys. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. KJ. 1. KJ. 1, 2, back. 1, 2, face forward. That's it, guys. Now move on to the next. The next step in this tutorial is 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Action, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. In case I find that dance this step difficult, I've taught it in my tutorials. Just check out my videos. Just check it out. You see that. You see it in the dance tutorial. One of the dance tutorials that I've taught you before. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is it, guys. Hope you are getting the concept, guys. Hope you are following. We ain't done yet, guys. We ain't done. So now, let's start when we start up to this extent. Going to move to get the tutorial. Don't mind this bike sound you are hearing. Don't mind this sound, guys. It's a little bit. I'm in an open field, so that's why. So let's go. 5, 6, 7. I cannot go now. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. I think, guys, that is the full tutorial, guys. That is the full. No, I don't know if I ain't the full tutorial. That is just there. That's just there. First things first. So let's go. In case you're still watching this video, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this dance video, share with your friends. Click on the notification bell, guys. Click on the favorite to notify when I post a video. And share it with your friends if you want to learn dance. You can learn any part of the dance, any step in this dance tutorial. Anyone is learnable. You can learn from step 1 to step 4, or you can learn from step 1 to step 3. Make a video, upload it, tag me in that video. I'm going to repost that video for you guys. I'm going to be posting that video for you. Those of you learning this tutorial, this is what I'm incorporating my channel right now. If you are doing tutorials, if you are learning this dance, I'm going to be reposting you guys on this channel, guys, on this page. What I'm doing so, make a video, tag me in that video, and comment in my post that I've done a video of the tutorial. Shakam, that's all you need, guys. That's all you need. I'm going to do it. I'm going to be reposting your videos in my page, guys. So let's dive right into the video. Now, after this step, let's do this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think, guys, so it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go, guys. Another one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 5, 6, on start. 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, once you have done the dance up to this level, up to this extent, it's just finesse, guys. It's just finesse. I'm going to finesse at the end. Just finesse at this end, guys. Just finesse at this end. Watch me, guys. Let's go. One more time. 5, 6, 7. Start. 5. Everybody, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8. So guys, that is the dance tutorial. That is it. That is the dance tutorial, guys. That is the dance tutorial. So let's recap on this dance from the start in slow-mo. In slow-mo for you guys. Let's just do a recap on this dance in slow-mo. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. In slow-mo, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Yeah. Forward to the back. Peace. Jolly. Dance. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Go. Maybe 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, come forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 3. To the side. To the side. So guys, that is a dance tutorial for this challenge. In case you find this video helpful, please comment down below, like this video, subscribe to see more posts on this channel, and share the video to your friends so to dance this song. It's a Christian song. You guys know the song is trending right now. I can never run back to no, it's already too late. No, I can't do it. So guys, share it to your friends, and thank you for watching this video. And I'll see you. Don't forget to watch 2 videos over here, and I'll see you guys in my next video.